Hello everyone, welcome or welcome back to the channel. Irene here in the south of France, and today I am working on a canvas that I've been working on in the last few videos, and I'm adding gold leaf in this layer. I work in many layers. I'm starting with gold leaf and then I go on to other mediums. You'll see later on in the video it gets very dark, and I also work on these small canvases that you can see lying at the side. I like working in series, so I find it really handy to work on several paintings at the same time. Then you can just keep layering the same things. So I'm adding gold leaf on this layer, turning. I'm just feeling where I stuck the glue, because obviously I didn't film where I was adding the glue to stick the gold leaf to. So yeah, the glue is already on. You have to leave it for about, it's actually called gilding paste. You have to leave it on for about 10-15 minutes depending on the temperature. Filming this in the end of winter, it's nearly spring. So yeah, about 10 minutes. These are actually old minis that I worked on quite a while ago. I think I was up in the mountains when I was working on these, and you know, when you look back on work you don't like them anymore, so I just decided to go over them and see what happens. No plans, just working in my general theme of nature and my surroundings, landscape. Been doing a lot of work lately on mountains, lakes and rivers, so that's coming out a lot in my paintings. Connection to my past younger days back in the UK, in England, in Yorkshire and the Lake Districts. I'm finding this pull, this connection to my past and my present, where I live now in the south of France, not far from the Pyrenees Mountains. I do like, after working up on the easel, I like bringing my canvases down on the floor, or sometimes I start on the floor. You can get really messy and get a different perspective, get a different kind of angle, different view. This messy, playful stage, I quite like to be on the floor. Here I tore up some old sketches using as collage papers, just a black and white mountain sketch that I did. And I like using this, it's quite thin, so it's easy to tear up and stick onto the canvases. Hello everyone, welcome back. I'm just deciding what to do next on this. It's got to that point where it's got really messy. You saw me adding some gold leaf, golden copper leaf, copper leaf, and a little bit of collage. And well, what's next? When I was in the mountains, I got a couple of strong inspirations. One when I was visiting a church high up in the mountains, when I was on a walk, which is near the village where I stay. And the windows and the archways. And the light coming in from outside against the dark. deciding whether to put lots of darks in to bring out the lights, or another inspiration was on the ski slopes, all the whiteness of the snow and the coloured outfits of the skiers. So I don't know which way to go. Maybe I'll just do half and half just to try it out and see what happens. We'll see. I need to get changed and I'll crack on and see which path I'm going to take. Some parts I like, some parts I don't like, so let's start with covering the bits up that I'm not too keen on. Yes, so with my churchy stained glass windows in mind, I go with the black, well, it's not quite a black paint, it's got some blue in it, some dark blue, so I don't remember if it's black or Payne's grey, but it's definitely, I had definitely added blue to it as well. So yeah, getting the archway shapes of the church windows, just because that's what I'm thinking about. We'll see later that they probably don't stay. My paintings change so much, but I love the process. I love how it changes, in fact, and it's not until something starts speaking to me that I go with that. And at the minute, it's not, well, it's not. What was speaking to me was capturing these colourful shapes and making them stand out by using this dark black, dark blue paint. Experimenting again, just seeing what happens. Using one of my favourite tools at the moment, this squeegee tool. So putting paint on, scraping paint off, and that, I really liked that kind of, it was like a full moon shape in the corner there, but oh well, he's gone. Sometimes when I look back when I'm editing these videos, I see things, and I'm sure you do the same. Let me know if you see things in the video and then you see me covering them up and say, no, I do that a lot when I'm editing, but it's gone, and it's only paint. You can get them back if you really liked something. So yeah, just remember that it's only paint or other types of mixed media. like I said before, this is another painting in my ongoing connection series, and I have finally got a few of them up onto my website. My website you can find ireneapplebybart.com. So finally got some up, and yeah, so they're out there now. They're out there. Well, a few. And I am also working on a mixed media course, so that's going well, going to plan. So excited about that. Thank you all for subscribing and commenting and your messages. I really appreciate that. And your support, most importantly, your support. Ooh, I've just been looking at this, come back from a walk, put this sweatshirt on that I had on before and realised maybe that's why I went in with all this black. So kind of liking it, but I think now I need to go in with some lights. So yeah, next step, light. Still not speaking to me, so I'll just keep going. I love the playfulness of just experimenting, and well, I'll just keep going till it starts speaking to me a bit woo-woo, but then I will start zoning in a little bit more. But now I've got to go and pick my daughter up from the train station, so I will be back later. Do you have this problem of people interrupting you all the time? Just about to start something and you get the phone call, or somebody shouts you, or you've got to make dinner, you've got to do something, and you go to work. Anyway, stay calm. Well, I hope you picked up a few tips in this layer of the painting process. We will continue next time. Thanks for watching. I hope you're feeling encouraged and excited to attack that canvas. Bye bye for now. Au revoir.